What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based work execution platform used for project management, collaboration, tracking, and automation. Smartsheet looks like a powerful spreadsheet but with tasks, dependencies, dates, progress tracking, and easy to learn for spreadsheet users. Smartsheet supports multiple views like grid, Gantt chart, card view, and calendar view. This makes it versatile for project managers, marketing teams, and IT teams. You can automate repetitive tasks like reminders, status updates, assignments, and alerts. This saves time and reduces manual work. And Smartsheet lets you comment on tasks, attach files, tag teammates, and even share sheets with permission. And you can connect it with Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Workspace, or even Salesforce, Jira, etc. But on the other hand, Smartsheet isn't cheap, especially for large teams. Cost varies by plan, but smaller teams often outgrow the entry tier quickly. Although familiar to spreadsheet users, Smartsheet has advanced features, automation logic, and conditional formatting, which can be confusing at first because new users often need training or help docs. So Smartsheet is a powerful work execution platform that excels in team collaboration, task tracing, automation, and flexible views. But it's not always best choice for simple projects, small items, and teams, or personal to-dos. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.